What's up YouTube, Kyle here, coming back to you with another mining shed update video. Today it's been pouring rain this morning and I'm walking out to the shed now because I know that there's water in it. I want to try to show you guys before it dries and we're going to try to take care of that problem today. Stay tuned. Alright, so coming up you can kind of see where the issue lies. So there's not a huge overhang on the shed here, so water can sit right on this little sill here, this transition for the door, and the air, the exhaust fans have so much sucking pressure that they're actually sucking the water in through the cracks here. So what we're thinking we're going to do is just throw a storm door on this. It's pretty straightforward solution. I mean, it's not going to be perfect probably, but it should keep out 95% of the water. But yeah, we're just going to throw a storm door on this. This should help prevent water from sitting on that little sill there. So we'll kind of see what that looks like. One thing I went ahead and did was I actually turned off one of the fans. One, it's not very hot out today, so we can get away with that. But two, I did that because that reduced the pressure that was sucking on the door, so the door is a little easier to close now. There's not as much force trying to pull it open, which is also keeping more water out as well. And this is kind of what it's looking like on the inside, so let me close the door so the lighting is better. So you can kind of see where it runs. It falls all the way along here, and it's already dry over here because there's so much air movement, but it'll sit kind of in that corner there. You can kind of see it. So definitely, and it comes in on this side too. Definitely not a good thing here. We need to get this fixed as quickly as possible because this is just going to cause wood rot and major problems over time. So we're going to go ahead and get that installed today and see if we can't get this permanently fixed as quickly as possible. nice and installed. It's the easiest door to install ever. All the screws in here. Everything lines up good. Just gotta put the handle on. I got this matte black handle that I'm gonna throw on. Let's do that now. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's not good. Huh. I locked myself out. Not sure what to do about it yet. I got that all put together. Ran into a few snags, but overall went pretty smooth. We did lock ourselves out and I had to take the left side of the door apart and unhook it because the key was in the way, so I couldn't open the handle, like the key to the actual door. So got that all fixed, got the little weather stripping thing adjusted. I don't see how any amount of rain could get in here unless it came from like up here in this crack. But realistically, I think we're gonna be okay with this. Closes pretty well. Got it pretty dialed in, so Even with the fan sucking on it, that thing holds up pretty good. I may end up putting the second thing on the top there, but I'm not really sure it needs it, so I might just leave it like this for now and see how it does. If I break it, they're a couple dollars, I can buy another one. Only thing left to do, I'm gonna come back and do it in a little bit, is just run a bead of caulk all around the door here. That way it is a little bit more weather tight, just since we have air sucking in here. We just want to make sure that no water can get through any of these cracks or anything like that. But overall, pretty easy process. They say it takes 45 minutes. I bet if I knew what I was doing the first time, and I've done one of these before, but if I did these often, it probably would only take 45 minutes. But overall, I'm happy with how it turned out, and hopefully this keeps the rain out. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm in the process right now of building exhaust like mufflers for these fans because they're so loud, and I'm worried about the neighbors getting upset. So been building those on the back side. Been working on ordering all the stuff I need for that. I got some sound deadening stuff and different things on order, so as soon as that stuff shows up, I'll get this project wrapped up and get it uploaded to you guys so you can check it out. Let me know if you got any tips for muffling sound on these exhaust fans, because it is really loud and I'm kind of running out of ideas here, so any tips would be greatly appreciated. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.